For the first time ever, Sunshine Horizon, Sweet D and Mr. C Promotions present the smash hit online play out of Jamaica called Money Move! Watch it direct from your yard, Boxing Day, Saturday 26th of December, streaming live from Jamaica on sunshinehorizon.co.uk. A festive blockbuster featuring an all-star cast including Bad Boy Driva, Bashment Granny and more. Showtime 9 p.m. in the UK and 3 p.m. across the Caribbean islands, USA and Canada. Tickets only £6.99 from sunshinehorizon.co.uk.
Hello, this is Garfield, aka Bad Boy Trevor. Garfield as the writer for the show Money Move and the actor for the play Money Move. So you see me in the play as Pap Chow.
Hi.
Yeah man, so it's a Bashment Granny, you understand what I say? We just done rehearsal, so I'm tired and all the way there. The show is Money Move, you understand? It show how powerful money is. I'm here the money man, right? Mr. Green Hood.
Play have a lot of manipulation, deception. Tell you how woman wicked, yeah, wicked and wicked and wicked just because of money. But they say money is the root of all evil. The love of money is the root of all evil. In this case, the next girl, she don't love money, she love evil.
So watch a boxing day, you know. It's so hard. We are rehearse now. You get boxing day because we're special, you know. England, Canada, America, to the world.
Come and see Money Move. Boxing Day, we're going to make your Christmas happy. Boxing Day, look out for it. Canada, America, England, we're streaming live from Jamaica to the world. So hello, check in.